So here we have behind me a older traditional water heater and then also a newer tankless system. On a traditional water heater, the maintenance that we do is flushing the water heater for one, going through and checking safety devices, anode rods, expansion tanks, but the main one is flushing the water heater itself. The reason why you want to flush a water heater is to get the sediment that is built up at the bottom out of there so it'll function correctly. So we recommend flushing your water heater at least once a year. A homeowner could easily flush a water heater themselves. So the maintenance required for a tankless heater is pretty similar to a traditional water heater, but instead of draining the system, you kind of create a loop in the system. So there are a few more tools required for a tankless flush. You need pumps, hoses, descaling liquid, etc. So we don't usually recommend for homeowners to flush tanklesses by themselves due to the safety and how much material and tools that you need. So in the event if a water heater needs to be replaced or we determined that we want to be proactive, we do have a $400 special going on for traditional type water heaters and new tankless type water heaters. Here at SS Mechanical, we have a lot of experience diagnosing water heaters. So please give us a call, or we highly recommend jumping on our website to where you can go and book your own appointment.